Jesus saw a man who was blind from birth. The man had never seen light. He had never seen faces. He had never seen the world. People asked Jesus why the man was blind. They wanted to blame someone, but Jesus gave a different answer. Jesus said, "This happened so God's work could be seen." Jesus made mud with his hands. He placed it on the man's eyes. Then he said, "Go and wash in the pool of Siloam." The man went. He washed. And when he came back, he could see. Light filled his eyes for the first time. Darkness was gone. His life changed forever. This story teaches us something powerful. God is not absent in our darkness. He is working. Even when we do not understand why, God can bring purpose. God can bring light. Jesus is the light of the world. Where he is, darkness cannot stay. If you feel blind, lost, or unsure, Jesus can bring new vision. If this story encouraged you, please like and subscribe for more Bible stories and weekly encouragement.